Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to tell you about the differences between different occupations when you plan your Ausbildung in Germany. So these are four occupations related to hospitality. Hotel Fachmann, Restaurant Fachmann, Koch and Butcher. So between these four occupations, lot of people have confusions. So what is a Hotel Fachmann, what is Restaurant Fachmann, Koch and Butcher, and most commonly most usually I have seen that people are not aware of the differences between cook and butcher. So let me start with Hotel Fachmann. So Hotel Fachmann is a we can translate this word into English. This is hotel professionals, so hotel experts. So hotel experts have to take care of the guests, like they have to attend the guests and they have to plan the process of the hotel. They also have to help other departments, all departments, like time to time they have to plan the processes of kitchen. They have to check the quality of room, etc. So this is the work of a hotel expert. But when we talk about restaurant Fachmann, restaurant expert, then this is basically something related to service only. We come to other two occupations, which are Koch and Butcher. So in cooking, when somebody is doing an Ausbildung in Germany, basically in cooking, then the cooks are, the basic responsibilities of the cooks are like to plan the dishes and to work in the kitchen. So they have to buy vegetables, they have to plan the food for the guests, and as per the orders they have to plan everything. So they work on the recipes, they work on they also tell the guests the cost of whatever cost is being involved in the preparation of some specific dishes. They have to tell the owners of the restaurants and business. So this is the task of the cook. And when we talk about the butcher is not relevant to cooking at all, and it is not something what we talk about hospitality. No, because butchers are not generally, I'm not talking about some businesses which is like when we talk about butcher shop, then maybe the butcher is alone working there and cutting the meat and selling it to the guests. So maybe the responsibilities can be more, but frankly it is not something related to cook, because butcher is never work in a kitchen, and butcher's responsibility is not to prepare any recipe or any dishes. So butcher job is something different. A lot of people have asked me this question in last few days. That is why I'm making this video, because some people went from here to Germany. They are currently doing their Ausbildung, but unfortunately they thought that they are going for an Ausbildung in cooking, but it is not the case. They are doing something related to butcher. Butchers usually work on larger parts or larger proportions of the meat, and they cut it into small parts or pieces. And usually when there is a butcher shop and it's a small butcher shop, then usually the butcher cuts the meat, and he himself or she herself sells the meat also. So the responsibilities are totally different, because cooks usually work also in hotels and restaurants, but the job of a butcher can be different. So there have been some cases, some people have planned their Ausbildung in Koch or in Hotel Fachmann or in Restaurant Fachmann in Germany, but after they have started their Ausbildung in Germany, they have realized that they have to work only with meat. So what usually they are doing, they are just cutting meat. So for some candidates, it's not usual in India. So for Indians, it can be very difficult situation when they are asked to cut only meat all the time. So 8 hours meat. So now they have realized that they have done some mistake, because initially they didn't pay attention on these terms, what actually this cooking job is and what this butcher job is. so they were not aware of this. But now I think you guys understand what is the difference between these four occupations: hotel fachmann, restaurant fachmann, koch and butcher. So I hope this video will help you in understanding these all four different occupations when you plan your Ausbildung in Germany. So thank you very much.